Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws. First, unplug the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 from the power outlet. Safety is your top priority. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a small container so they don't get misplaced. Once the back panel is off, inspect the internal components. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt circuits or loose wires. If you notice any loose connections, gently reattach them. If there are burnt components, you may need to replace them. This is where having a multimeter comes in handy. Use it to test the continuity of the wires and components. While you're inside, it's a good idea to clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated. Use a soft brush and isopropyl alcohol to carefully clean the circuit board and surrounding areas. This can help improve the overall performance of your device. If the device still does not power on after checking the components, it may be time to consider a professional diagnosis. Remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This could save you time and ensure you get accurate advice. After cleaning and reassembling the device, plug it back in and test if it powers on. If not, we can assist you further. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, which means you don't have to worry about transporting the device yourself. Plus, there are no calls or travel required on your part, making the whole process seamless. If you're unsure about the repairs, it's wise to get a quote before repair. This way, you can make an informed decision without any unexpected costs down the line. Once you try to power it on again, pay attention to any lights or sounds that indicate it's functioning. If it still doesn't work, it may indicate a deeper issue that needs professional attention. In summary, repairing the Silvercrest SKMC 1200 involves careful inspection of the internal components, cleaning, and testing. Always prioritize safety and don't hesitate to reach out for professional help if needed. Remember, our services are designed to make your life easier, from diagnosis to repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.